Discover the secret to youthful skin with my honest review of Neutrogena's Triple Age Repair Anti-Aging Night Cream. Packed with vitamin C, this cream promises to fight wrinkles, even out skin tone, and firm up your face and neck. Watch to see if it lives up to the hype. Neutrogena's Triple Age Repair Anti-Aging Night Cream is a product that aims to address the trifecta of skin aging concerns: wrinkles, uneven skin tone, and loss of firmness. With a formulation enriched with vitamin C, glycerin, and shea butter, this 1.7-ounce jar of promises comes with high expectations. The cream's texture is luxurious yet non-greasy, absorbing quickly into the skin to work its magic overnight. Users have reported waking up to skin that feels more hydrated and supple. The inclusion of vitamin C is a smart choice, known for its ability to brighten the skin and reduce the appearance of dark spots over time. Glycerin, a humectant, draws moisture into the skin, plumping it up to smooth out fine lines and wrinkles. Shea butter adds an extra layer of moisture, making this cream particularly beneficial for those with dry skin. However, some users with sensitive skin have noted irritation, likely due to the presence of fragrance in the formula. Neutrogena claims that results can be seen in as little as 4 weeks, and while individual experiences will vary, the general consensus is that with consistent use, the cream does deliver noticeable improvements. The patented hexanol technology is touted to boost the skin's ability to improve its appearance, elasticity, and firmness. On the downside, the cream contains parabens, which may be a concern for those who prefer to avoid these preservatives. Additionally, while the product is marketed as an anti-aging night cream, it lacks the retinoids often found in targeted anti-wrinkle treatments. In conclusion, Neutrogena's Triple Age Repair Anti-Aging Night Cream is a solid choice for those looking to incorporate a vitamin C-enriched product into their nighttime routine. It hydrates, brightens, and firms, although those with sensitive skin or a preference for paraben-free products might want to patch test before committing to regular use.